heading our way up to the top, and we get stopped by cows. There are cows.
Hey! Damn it!
Oh. Good morning.
So this weekend we kind of decided to just wing it, really.
We did the same thing in Denver, and I feel like it's going to be the same thing we do everywhere we go, where we're not really sure what we want to do at first, and so we just decide to go to a couple of different places and just be there, and just kind of be in that area and explore and see what happens without any real agenda.
Yeah, so we went out to the coast. We didn't bring anything with us, really didn't know what we were going to do, and we ended up actually putting our feet in the water, which was freezing cold.
Yes.
And also the tide, I guess, was kind of higher than we expected, and our jeans ended up getting wet, and we were freezing, and we didn't have towels, and we were wearing tennis shoes, and yeah, we just weren't really prepared. Wake up early for hiking this morning, and it was so foggy, really foggy. So we were actually a little concerned that we wouldn't be able to see anything.
Right. But that's kind of the whole point of this, is that when we just kind of still did it, and we went anyway, and even though there's a ton of fog, the fog is actually what makes this so gorgeous. It's just one of those things where, like, you just do it. You just go out and do it and experience it, and it might not be exactly what you thought it was, but that's the whole point of this, is just we're just doing it and not really knowing what to expect.
All right, well, see you at the top.
Yep.
Can't get it.
In a hand? He's trying so hard. So we're walking along the path, heading our way up to the top, and we get stopped by cows. There are cows.
Hey! Damn it!
Oh. We stop to vlog, and you roll around in shit.
I don't even know what to do. Oh my god. I have one extra thing, but
that damn dog.
oh god. So we were talking about just kind of winging it and just,
going with the unexpected.
And that was unexpected.
Yes, but expect the unexpected and flow with it. That's kind of what our motto is for the day.
Yeah, so we're still heading up.
Yeah, we're still heading up. Supposed to be a pretty gorgeous view at the top, but we're already kind of at a gorgeous view now. Hopefully you're enjoying what we're putting out there and learn to embrace the unexpected like we've been doing. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.